Hey guys, it's the start of our video here. We're about to head out into the woods, see if we can't find a spot that we can try and build a cabin on. So we are heading down this trail right here. It's my father-in-law's land. It's got 26 acres. We're going to go see if we can find something good. So it would make sense that that's the snowmobile trail, that this would be like one of the lots right here. But let's go up a little bit further.
Well, you should look on your phone.
It doesn't show the snowmobile trail on my phone. So slowly go on the right hand side. So we can walk these things across the bridge. So just slowly, carefully bring it down, Milo, okay? I don't know if it's Pappy or Tommy, but this is where you took that first four-wheeler video down here, bud. This is that little creek thing.
Yeah, that's sketchy. Driving this across the bridge.
No, I'm gonna do it. Okay?
Yeah. I don't feel comfortable doing it.
Yeah, I'm not really gonna go across the bridge, but we'll walk it down through here. sorry. So yeah, I don't know if this is Pappy or Tommy, but I think there's one of them doing this. You want to wait for me up there, okay? Take this and get out of the way, okay? Okay. Get off, thank you, nice job.
So is this their land?
Yeah, for sure. Okay, be very careful. You don't want to bump over a rock or a stick. You don't want to break their bridge. Well, you know. The bridge I'd be able to get by, but here we are. Let's see if I can get out of this. We've got a pretty good thing we could get moved over here too, guys. Thanks, bud. Yep. Oh, we're making it, bud. It's just a big tree. You're fine. Keep picking up. Don't worry about me. I hope not. Go.
Gonna try and push it.
Would be nice too. No, that you're not going to push that too far. We got to cut another section of that, but nice to move this. And Pappy could have cut this, wanted to keep it off the ground too. So. Watch out, guys.
That's the roof. All I know is that there's big wood on here.
Yep. Oh, I gotta do another cut on this thing. So yeah, and thank you. And any rocks down there, Eli, to give us a better path to coming through that you think you can do? Thanks, guys. Almost there. we go. Yeah, you might have to leave your bikes, bud. Might have to leave your bikes.
Milo, come on. Clear it up. Power feed.
Couple little issues, but here we are. We're going.
Dad, I think this is a street.
Yeah. But hey, let's walk down here a little bit and see what else we can get. You guys could probably come this little lane right here.
Looks like at one point the water went down through there.
Yeah, and this is kind of one of the old trails. It looks kind of cool down in there, so let's go. Let's drive in a little further and go check out in there, okay?
Wait.
Because we want something that's a little bit off one of these trails if we're going to drag wood in.
Wait, so you want it to be like this far in?
Let's go drive a little bit further. But down in there, there's a lot of cool rock formations. I want to kind of walk around and find the stream and stuff. So.
Yeah, Dad, I think we should go over there.
I thought by moving the bridge I'd be able to get by, but here we are. Let's see if I can get out of this. All right, hang on. See Milo?
What?
See Milo?
No.
Can you go down and get her? go. Alright guys, we made it. We are deep into the woods, about to go explore, see if we can find a good spot that might be alright to start building the cabin on. We are just going to really locate a spot today, maybe start clearing out an area to start bringing in some wood next week, but we're going to go walk around for a bit. Alright, you fanning yourself with that big leaf? Okay, let's keep going guys.
Look at my son, Dad. Big rock down there.
Mm-hmm.
That rock looks like it's growing hair. Yeah, it is.
That's pretty cool.
My hair.
So, what this tells me is that all these rocks right here is probably because we got a lot of water runoff coming through here. And that's definitely what this is. This definitely had a big washout at one point. So if we want to build something, we got to find something that is a little more away from where it's going to get washed out and a lot of rain coming through. So
he wants to do it. It's probably...
Look at this ravine right here. So that's definitely where water is flowing down this hill here and going right through this. So let's go see if this connects to somewhere.
Could do. I'm not saying we should, but we could build the cabin right here and then have like a nice ravine.
And I'm probably not going to build the cabin over a ravine, but thank you for your input.
Well, it'd be dry.
It would be.
Like, water's going right underneath it.
The snowmobile trail and stuff is back that way too, bud. So that's another thought we want to have. So I can see that it looks still pretty thick and hilly over here to the left. So I like over here to the right a little bit more. I see some sun poking through down in there. So.
If you go down another like 100 feet where you can't really see it, it's nice down. Oh, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
So I can tell that Pappy's probably tried getting around. Oh yeah, he went right through here and then down.
Yeah, I mean,
right through it.
And this is, I've kind of been eyeing this thing from up on top of the hill a little bit, bud, but well, I was seeing that big rock right there.
Oh yeah, it gets rock. If
you
go that way, there's huge rocks. There's some rocks that about 10 times that size.
Okay, well, let's walk down here a little bit. Alright guys, so we have found a really nice stream up here. It goes down into a lush bog filled with green vegetation. And right back here seems like that this is a little bit of the higher ground. Got a nice flat indentation right here. So this might not be a bad area to try and put a little cabin. Have a nice little scenery around us, be close to the snowmobile trails. We just need to see if we can actually get the four-wheeler all the way or pretty close down in here. because we had to park up quite a ways and hike down in. But yeah, so we're going to make our way up, see what else we find. Here. Oh, that's a good stream.
See, Dad, I told you it's down here. This is the spot where Cassie wanted to kind of build it. I think it was like around somewhere where there was like here this way, and then it was pretty nice.
Let's go up that way a little bit and see where the stream's going. That is pretty cool down there. I might just go quickly go down and check it out. I'm falling if I can. It's really steep, guys. Don't fall. Wow, here we go.
He said that there's probably salt in there.
It does go up there in the woods, but this is a cool little area right here, that's for sure. You okay? Just somersaulting down?